Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you the ultimate GitHub web IDE Chrome extension for Google Chrome browser, which allows you to fork or clone any GitHub repo directly inside various code editors including VS Code. So this is the link I have given in the description of this video. So GitHub web IDE, the name of the extension. It's used by almost 10,000 users, and first of all, you need to click the Add to Chrome button to add this extension. So once it is added, you will get this notification, and then you open any GitHub repo. It will have a bunch of options. So if you have a GitHub repo here, it will create this Open in Web IDE option right here. If you select this option, you will see in the drop down all the major websites which supports opening of coding. So you can see GitHub development, VS Code development. So there is this option here which directly clones this repo inside your VS Code. So if you click this option, it now you can select the location where you want to clone this or download this. So after doing this, it will directly clone this inside your VS Code. So as you can see, all the code is downloaded and cloned, and now you can actually see the code here and run this code directly inside your VS Code. So this is one useful extension, and also it supports, let's suppose if you want to run this online, this code. So CodeSandbox is a very popular website. So it provides you with this direct link, and as soon as you click this in the new window, it will directly load this project and run this project instantly. As you can see, this is running this project instantly. It will provide you with this live URL, and it is installing dependencies, and then it is showing you the result right here. You can see it's a currency converter, and you can see the application is perfectly running. So as you can see, so you can install this GitHub Web IDE. It supports all the extensions, all the websites in one extension. So it adds this option in all the GitHub repos. So if you go to any GitHub repo, it will add this option. So it will save you a lot of time. So you can see REPL IT, GitHub, Gitpod glitch. All these options are successfully added right here in the GitHub repo. So you just need to click it, and then it will actually do this for you. Run this on all the websites in one go. You can clone this. Just select the location. So instantly it will clone, download any GitHub repo directly inside your VS Code. So you don't need to use command line. It will save you a lot of time. Here you can see. So this is the Google Chrome extension, GitHub Web IDE. Simply install it and start using it. And please hit that like button, subscribe to channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.